Hello teachers, this is Marie Henderson. I'm going to do a brief introduction to EdPuzzle. We're going to begin by creating a class. Of course, at this point you've already created your account and you're ready to get started with using it. But when you get logged in that first time, go to My Classes there in the top right and then click to add a new class. You can see I've already got some classes there. We're just going to keep this simple. Give your class a name, click Add Class. And then when you're ready, you're going to click Invite Students and you'll share a code with them so they can get started quickly and easily with EdPuzzle. We create a class first because once we start creating content, it's easy to assign that content to our classes if they are already created. Alright, so let's move on to creating that content. Here in the top right, we're going to click Content, and over here in the menu at the left, we're going to go to My Content. I've already decided what video I'm going to use, and I've already even planned the questions that I'm going to ask. There's a couple of reasons that works well. The first reason is that when you get started with creating a video by clicking here at the right, Add Content, and then Create a Video, and you go here to one of the popular channels, I'm going to select YouTube, it's quick and easy to do the search if you have that video up, and you can copy and paste the URL from that video right here into the EdPuzzle search bar. And it just takes you right into working on the video itself. Though there are several options here to crop the video, to create some voiceover, and to add some audio notes, I'm going to demonstrate the quizzes feature as I think it's the one people use the most frequently. So when I click over here to quizzes, I've already planned the questions for my quizzes, and I've actually typed up a Word document here. EdPuzzle gives you 20 free videos. So by typing up this document, I can always have this handy. So even if I have to delete my video in EdPuzzle because I've run out of free space, I'll have these questions planned and I'll be able to easily recreate that video in the future. Alright, so I've got the questions. I'll be able to copy and paste them into the video. So back over here in EdPuzzle, I'm just going to drag this over a little bit. I want to navigate over to the timing of my first question. So if I go here to 23 seconds and I click the little question icon, I'm able to add in a question. So this question that I've written here about a fidgety student is an open-ended question, but you'll notice you have choices here of a multiple choice question and then just having a comment appear in the middle of your video. So I'm going to copy and paste my open-ended question and I'm going to click Save. If you don't have EdPuzzle set up in a split screen like this, these questions actually end up being over here on the side, so don't be disturbed when you see it that way. So now we're going to click Save, and then again I can drag my cursor here over to 44 seconds where I've planned my next question, and again I'm going to click the little question icon and I'm going to copy in my mindset question here. This one's actually a multiple choice question, so I'm going to switch over here to multiple choice and paste that in, and then over on my Word document grab my selections. Correct answer to this one was growth mindset, so I'm going to leave that marked, notice with the green check mark. You also have options down here to add additional answers. I'm going to save this one, but then because I have another question right here at this same time, I'm actually going to click Edit again because that gives me an option right here of adding in an additional question at the same time in my video. So now this is my second question, so still here at 44 seconds, and this one's open-ended. And so I'm going to paste it in and then again click Save. My next one is at 55 seconds. Again, it's a multiple choice. If you haven't had a chance to watch this video, it's a great one. You should check it out. So I get to, looks like I wanted it at 55 seconds. And I click the question icon and I'm going to paste in here. I'm going to copy and paste in. Oh, this is a multiple choice and it kept it for me. So then I can put in each of my answers. This one's actually one where I want the students or the people I'm training to be able to select more than one correct answer. That's really easy here in EdPuzzle because it allows you to select as many correct answers as you like. And so then I click Save, and again I'm ready to continue on. So you get the idea. Once you're finished adding questions, you click the Save icon up here in the top right, and then the Finish icon, and you'll notice, as I mentioned earlier, it's quick and easy right now to assign this to students. So you can pick the date when it's going to appear, date and time when your new quiz is going to appear, and then you can select your class. So maybe this was for my history class, and if I scroll down here, I've got a couple of options. I can prevent them to skip, I can prevent them from skipping, and I can turn on closed captioning. I'm going to do both of those things, and I'm going to click Assign. So now my video is ready to go for my students. Again, I'll want to go back to my classes and I'll want to invite students. They will use this class code and or this link to get started with my EdPuzzle class. As always, if you have questions or you need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks and have a great day.